Hi, Melena Wilson with Nova Real Estate Group here, coming to you a little windblown from Purcellville. I'm here in front of my brand new listing. Isn't it gorgeous? The house is brand new and it is just on the market as well. The house was built in 2020 and there's been just enough time for the homeowners to add a screened porch, a deck, a generator, whole house generator, water treatment system that includes reverse osmosis. It has four bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's enormous inside. It lives so easily. It's wide open. It's got great Craftsman details. If you know Carrington Homes, you know this home on the inside and you're going to love it. They've added the club room that extends the family room. Everywhere you turn, there's more space and just lovely views, bright light coming in from the outside. It's just amazing. Give me a call. Let's take a look at it together. I can't wait to show it to you. You will love it.